Hello everybody, welcome back tonight. Here we are seeing some good things today with AMC. So AMC today is apparently closing at $59.95. Now I do find this interesting because here I am getting two different figures. Obviously here on Yahoo Finance you can see I am getting $58.95, but on Trading 212 I'm getting a close figure of $59.05. So clearly we have closed somewhere around the $59 range, whether it be $58.95 or slightly above that at $59.05. But clearly we have closed in a very good position so far. After hours, only though it has just started, is looking good, and this has been a very significant day in my opinion for AMC. I'm going to get into why in just a moment, but if you may enjoy the video, do make sure to leave a like on it and obviously subscribe, because we talk about AMC and many other stocks on a daily basis, and this is a place for you if you are interested in any of those topics. Now obviously guys, I do not provide financial advice. I just provide my opinion. It is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm sure you already know that. I'm sure you will also know that I'm saying that for my safety and for yours as well. But now that we all know that, we are going to jump in and look at AMC today. So basically, we can see that on the one day, AMC has seen a decent amount of growth, up by roughly 3.5% today. Now, compared to what we have seen in the past day or so, or at least yesterday, we are not seeing as big growth, but from reasons which I'm about to speak about in a moment, I think today has been massive. So first things first, we are going to focus specifically on the motions that we have been seeing today. So explosive move in the open, we are seeing an open gap up to $59.01. From there we saw a rally up as we usually do on open. This took us to around 60. Now we touched 60 and obviously fell back. Apparently early in the morning we hit highs up here which were around 63.52. Again on Trading 212 I had figures of about 64, so I'm not sure which one is correct, but there we go. Then we saw a big sell-off as we usually do. Again, potential shorting of the stock down there, and this took us down to about 57. Now, for the majority of the day from there, we saw a lot of difficulty touching the $60 range. So we hit difficulty up here, we did touch it for a brief moment before falling, and then we saw it back up here, and up here, and up here. So clearly we have touched it multiple times today, but we were not able to close up there. But regardless, today was significant. Now, another big deal is that towards the end of the day, we actually did see a little bit of a decrease in price, bringing us from about $59.45 all the way down to about the 58, or at least a mid $58 range, so about $58.50. Now, fortunately for us, the apes were strong enough and they brought this price back up to around $59, which is fantastic, and it just shows the amount of strength that they had in those last few moments. So today has been pretty good. The general trend that we are seeing is that they were not able to keep the price down, and even when we look at the past 5 days, we are seeing something which I think is much bigger than the price action of today. So first things first, we are seeing this sell-off from Wednesday into Friday, and then obviously after that we have seen some big growth on Monday and even late Friday. So late Friday into Monday saw big growth, and late Monday into Tuesday, whilst it did see some growth, it didn't really see too big growth at all compared to the previous. But we also seen some growth, and I think this is significant. But overall, if you look out a bit further, what I believe that we are seeing now is some healthy consolidation. So we are not seeing a dip after this big rise, we are seeing some healthy consolidation, which actually is moving us upwards. So I'm happy to see that, and I think this is nothing more than consolidation. And one thing that I do think it is very, very strong consolidation. Because, you know, this one is moving upwards as we do consolidate, and yes, whilst we are touching past that $60 range, we have not managed to stay past it, and again, that is the next level of resistance that we do appear to be hitting. But overall, a close today around the $59 mark in my eyes is significant, and it is just another step in our whole trip past the $60 range, hopefully even into the $70 range, which will bring us to new all-time highs. So I'm very, very happy with how we have been moving today, in my opinion. I think this one is a really decent stock. I think obviously we are all here now for the short squeeze, and so far in after hours we are seeing good things. Now after hours I do not really comment on these too much, whether it's pre-hours or after hours. Sometimes I have strong thoughts on them, but overall I don't think that they play too big of a deal, because many retail traders like myself cannot really access after hours. So in my opinion, we don't see the full strength of the market until 9 in the morning and beyond. So good strength that we are seeing today with AMC. I'm very happy with what we are seeing. I think going forwards, if we can see more growth into tomorrow, and if we can close above 60 tomorrow, well, it's not looking good for the shorts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon, guys. Goodbye.